I think the asset class has gone through a lot. It's been tested a lot. Obviously, we had the '08 bubble, which crashed more of the single family space, with some issues with the multi, but it survived pretty well through that time. Then I think you had COVID was probably the next test, right? And definitely when COVID first started, there was some issues and some obstacles that came up,
Right.
but it clearly survived through that. And now the last year or so, with the rates rising and all these adjustable loans, adjustable rate loans, probably the biggest obstacle it's had so far, the biggest hurdles that it's had to go through. You've got a lot of investors on the sidelines, and I'm with you that demand is there, right? There's a lot of stress on being able to own a single family now. And as far as the pricing and how high it's gone, that's only created more demand for multifamily. So I think we're still looking at deals. We're still acquiring deals, nowhere near the volume that we were, right? But we think it's only going to get better from here as the rates maybe trickle down a little bit this year. I think 2025 is going to be a pretty strong year and it's going to keep going up from there.